Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool miss right here, and basically what this is a glass screen protector that's used for your brand new iPhone 13 or iPhone 13 Pro. And for this product, they actually make it for a lot of other phones as well, such as the iPhone 13 Pro Max, or like the older version as well, such as the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. And the list goes on. But the one that we got right here is for the iPhone 13 Pro, and this is the Diamond series. So it's actually opened up to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you first take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So I'm assuming all the glass screen protectors are inside right here. But right underneath that, you can see they provide you guys everything that's needed to set up the product and how to install it. So they provide you guys 3 of these packs right here that has the wet wipes, the dry wipes, and the dust remover tapes inside. They also provide you guys a user guide to teach you guys how to set up the product and how to install it. Right here, they provide you guys the accessory that you want to use to install the product correctly, so you don't have to worry about any fails or anything else. And then right here, they provide you guys one of those scrapers that you can use to install the product. That way, you can actually install it correctly, and you don't have to worry about any bubbles. And then last but not least, we have the little envelope right here that should be all the glass screen protector inside. So let's take it out and see what's included inside. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So they basically provide you guys 2 of these glass screen protectors, and they're both the same thing. So I'm actually got one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. If I look at the design of this glass screen protector, they definitely have it all around coverage, and they don't have a little opening right here that a lot of other glass screen protector does have. Let me actually put this down on the table and show you guys how to install it onto the brand new iPhone 13 Pro, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we have everything all set right here. So we have the helper right here, we have the little scraper option here, we have the wet wipe, dry wipe, the little stickers, and right here the glass screen protector. So it comes in a pack of 2 of these, but we only need 1. So we got everything all set right here. Let's start installing it. So usually what I like to do first is to put this on first, because if you guys wipe it down and then put it on, there might be dust or something. So that's why I prefer doing this first. Now let's open up the wet wipes and wipe it down. Alright, so right here the wet wipes. Wipe everything down to make sure it's clean and everything. Now you guys want to use a cleaning or dry cloth right here to wipe it down. Make sure it's clean and remove any of the dust or whatever if there is any. If there's some that not removed, you can always move it later on using the dust tape. Alright, so that should be good. So we use the big one right here. You basically want to go like this to remove any of the dust if there is any on here. Alright, so that looks good. So now you guys can actually put it on. So you basically want to take it out, and then you guys want to stick it on. So you guys want to use a little scraper to push it down. Alright, so you see that definitely does work. If there's some of the bubbles on the side that I can't get rid of, just go like this. Once you guys push those down, there should be no bubble on here. I see that once we actually put it on, it definitely looks very nice. I definitely love the way how to design the brand new iPhone. You can see the speakers on top right here. So that way you guys get a full screen when you guys use the product, which is pretty awesome. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys put it on. When we turn on the device, you can definitely see that's actually really clear. You definitely will still get the high quality image and everything when you guys put on the screen protector. So that is basically how you guys install the product, if you didn't see. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys could test our product and definitely see that actually does work actually quite well. Super easy to install. All you need to do is just follow the instructions and use all the accessories and tools that's provided for you guys. If you guys do everything correctly, then you should be fine and there should not be any bubbles on the actual product. But when you guys feel the material on the actual glass screen protector, it definitely feels like a high quality material that should definitely last you guys for a really long time. But now that you're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one of these warranties, especially if you guys want to add that extra protection layer on your product so you don't have to worry about cracking your screen or whatever, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.